Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this session. And in this video, we will discuss about deleting duplicates from a table. But we will not be using a window function this time. I've already uploaded a video on my channel where I've discussed about deleting duplicates using a window function. So this time we will be using a hash table and we'll see how to delete duplicates from a table. So first of all, the table that we are going to use is named student. So first of all, I will simply execute a simple select statement to see that what all are the records and columns in that particular table. So select all from student and control E. So you can see that here we have a total of 11 records, and let's order this result by roll number and control E. So here you can see that we are having a total of 11 records, and from record number 1 to record number 7 we have the same record repeating. That is, for roll number 1 the marks in mathematics are 80 and in physics are 70. So this 180 70 repeats and it is present 7 times in the given table. While if I'll talk about other records, that is for roll number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So other records exist only and only once, right? For example, for roll number 2, we have 289 78. This occurs only once. Then we have 3 56 78 occurs once. Then we have 4 88 98 for roll number 4. So that also occurs only once. And similarly for roll number 5 only, we have one record only, right? But only for roll number 1, you can see that the same record repeats and exists for 7 times. So when we say that we want to remove duplicate records, it means that this 180 70 should exist only and only once, or should occur only or only once in this particular table. So let's see how we can achieve that. So we'll be using the concept of hash tables. Hash table, basically we will use temporary table to achieve this particular thing, right? So first of all, I will create a hash table, and in that hash table I will bring or insert only the distinct records from this particular student table. So I can simply write select distinct all into, let's name that table as hash 1. So select distinct all into hash 1 from student table. So I'll write from student. So this particular statement, shift up arrow key, this particular statement will insert all the distinct records from student table into the hash 1 table, and it will basically create a hash 1 table as well, right? With the same columns as that of the student table. So let's execute it. So we have control E. So here you can see the message that 5 rows affected. Now let's run a simple select statement on the hash 1 table. So we can write select all from hash 1, shift up arrow key and control E. So here you can see that for roll number 1, 180 70 is present only and only once. It occurs only and only once. So that's what we wanted. But still, student table has not been updated. In the student table, same data is available. So what I'll do, I'll first of all delete all the records from student table. So I can simply write truncate. I can simply write truncate table student, and I will execute it. So commands completed successfully. If now I will run this select statement on student table, that is select all from student, control E. So here you can see that there are no records present in this table because we have truncated this table. Now we will insert all the distinct records which are actually present in hash 1 table. We will insert all the distinct records, so basically all the records from hash 1 table into the student table, because hash 1 table consists of the distinct records from these student tables, right, that we previously had. So we can simply write insert into student select all from hash 1, shift up arrow key and then control E. So you can see 5 rows affected. Now, if you will run this select statement, that is select all from student, you can see that only 5 records are present in student table now, and these are all distinct records, right? So without using the window function, we can achieve this deleting duplicates from a given table in this way. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session with more such interesting videos. So stay tuned for quality content on my channel. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.